The Nike Air Max 95 Neon, originally released in 1995, has surprisingly overshadowed high-profile collaborations from Levi's and Nike SB in its 30th anniversary year. Its resale value has nearly doubled compared to its retail price, cementing its status as the true prize of 2025. Capitalizing on this demand, Nike has kept the gray gradient look circulating while also extending the iconic neon accents to other silhouettes like the Book 1 and Air Max DL 2.5. Now, the brand is revisiting the Air Max 95 Ultra with the same classic neon color blocking, though its sleeker 2015 updates, like no-sew overlays and mesh paneling, contrast against the OG-inspired Big Bubble approach. Set to launch during holiday 2025 at $170, this release reflects Nike's strategy of blending nostalgia with modern reinterpretations to satisfy both collectors and casual fans alike.